Salams, guys. So this weekend we went to the Manus Whale Festival, and we did not list like taking multiple cars. I also didn't list like driving. So we hired a day trip with Scenic Horizon, and bruh, you can just relax. I mean, we were all in the same vehicle. The lighties were having fun. We could enjoy the view. I could just relax. You also didn't have to circle for parking, and the place was just a vibe. But we were there to see the whales. The lighties enjoyed looking out for the whales. We did manage to see some whales, and no, we're not talking about me. We saw the southern right whales. Check at that. They were freaking excited. But yeah, I check after such a lekker day, imagine not having to drive home. Huh? So yeah, people, there's your plug for the day. If you don't like driving, go to Scenic Horizon.